Are you gonna get one?
I don't know, what? 16 bucks, that's a lot.
Which color which one would you think would look the best on you, Ben?
Wobble Fett or Gengar?
I pick purple.
But I like Wobble Fett.
But I pick...
Is this youth large or large? I think that's large.
Check it out.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice. I think it's beautiful. Very sexy.
Hey, my God.
Okay.